Last week we told you about the trends in IT for 2024 based on our experience and completed projects by Indext Data Lab. By the way, if you haven't seen this video, I highly recommend you to check it out by clicking on the link in the pinned comment under this video. And today, as we promised, we would like to go a little bit deeper into one of the most relevant and most profitable IT trends at the moment and tell you about parsing, answering the main questions. What is parsing today, how much you can earn from it, and why parsing is still relevant and will stay in demand in 2024. Hi everyone, you are on the Indext Data Lab channel where we talk about technology in business and business in technology. I'm still 17, the host and producer of this YouTube channel, and today, like as always, me and Indext Data Lab team are ready to share with you some insider information without bullshit and without any censorship. Over the past year, our team of experts has completed hundreds of jobs of all levels of complexity and earned over $400,000 on Upwork on IT products. Not bad. And today in this video we want to tell you more about parsing, why it's needed, how it's evolving, talk to our top developer, find out what skills you need to have to stay in the trends, review one of the largest projects of Indext Data Lab, and of course summarize the results of the past year and find out how many projects related to parsing we closed in 2023 and how much money we made. Interested? Let's go. But well, before we move on to our parsing topic, I would ask you to hit the like on this video and subscribe on this live channel to not miss out the new videos in the future. This is our second video on this channel, so your likes, your comments will be the main indicators for us whether you like this type of content or not. So thank you for your attention, enjoy watching, and let's get back to the video. So let's start with a little introduction. What is parsing and why is it so popular? If you are an expert in this field and came here, click on this video just for numbers or project analysis, for example, no problem, you can always jump to the moment you are interested in just using timecodes under this video. And for those people who are curious or for those people who are just starting their way in IT industry, let's start from beginning. So the first question, what is parsing? Parsing is a process of collecting and organizing information which is performed with the help of special programs, parsers, which are placed on various websites. The source of data can be any information from the site: text content, HTML code, headers, menu items, databases, and other elements of internet resources. Usually, parsing is used in internet marketing, for example, to collect information from competing sites, but also to collect information and analyze your own web resources. It would be more correct to say that parsing is used in any field where you need to analyze and systematize a large amount of data. In programming, in the creation of sites, in web crawling, news aggregation, internet marketing, and even in the price monitoring, it doesn't matter. The most important thing is that with its help, you will be able to solve hundreds and thousands of tasks. Now, once we understand what parsing is, we need to figure out what basic skills you need to have to find your place and succeed in this field. Of course, you won't do without a deep knowledge of Python, as well as an understanding of how to work with large data sets, compile data sets, and much more from data science. Not to mention that parsing, like any other industry in IT, is constantly changing and you need to expand your horizons every time to stay relevant. So to understand a little bit better and find the answers to our questions, let's talk to one of our top experts who will tell us a little bit more about parsing and also guide us into the details of the profession. Today we are going to talk to Valery Sotnik. Hi Valery, how are you doing? Please introduce yourself again for our viewers and tell us a bit about yourself and your experience in IT and in parsing, of course.
Меня зовут Валерий, я разработчик больше бэкэнда, работаю больше 7 лет, имею навыки хорошие парсинга, но и помимо этого еще набрался опыта разного, связанного с DevOps, фронтендом, full stack, это все мое.
Nice to meet you, my pleasure. And next question, I really want to know what are the most essential skills you need to be doing parsing in 2024.
Если ты работаешь только в парсинге, парсинге, тебе тяжело понять, например, какой-то сайт с какими-то датасетами, кто их сделал, как их сделали. То есть, если ты разработчик, и ты должен понимать, а если ты только в парсинге, то это будет очень тяжело разобрать структуру данных, которую придумал автор этого сайта, и как его спарсить. То есть, знание доступа по API, дом страницы, HTML, CSS, навыки фронта тоже помогают в этом.
Okay, got it. So next question, what new technologies are being introduced into parsing at the moment, and what should newcomers be prepared for to compete in the market?
Нужно не бояться пробовать и искать оптимальное решение. Всегда все новички приходят с сознанием, например, одной технологии, и они не хотят даже воспринимать то, что может быть что-то иначе. Например, есть сайты, которые можно спарсить без использования браузера. Например, надо спарсить сайт, на котором хранятся какие-то статьи или документы, они публичные, доступные, но там стоит какая-то защита минимальная, просто защита от ботов. И люди сразу лезут в Selenium. А чтобы работать с Selenium, надо ресурсы. То есть, например, если вам скажут, надо 1 миллион статей за день, за 2, то с браузером у вас не хватит ресурсов, чтобы запустить так много инстанций. Ресурсы — это очень дорого. И у меня есть на опыте люди, которые меня не слушали, делали с браузером, и потом я садился и переделал это без браузера, потому что с браузером это дорого.
I got you. Hopefully this will help those who are just starting their journey in this field. And by the way, what are your thoughts on artificial intelligence and ML?
Это очень мощные инструменты, никто этого не скрывает, но нужно всегда мониторить изменения и быть в тренде этого всего, потому что это натренированные модели на базе каких-то данных, и они устаревшие. Например, тот же ChatGPT до некоторого времени он был с отставанием 2 года. Код, который он выдавал, он был или не оптимизированный, или был сломан, и только недавно появились апдейты модели, которая немного стала лучше выдавать код, и все равно нужно к этому подходить аккуратно, потому что ChatGPT, он не делает красивый код, он делает правильный код.
Okay. And tell me, maybe there are some of your own tips or even maybe some software that not many people know about, but which helps you in your work.
У меня есть такой поэтапный подход, когда я выделяю, что я сначала должен испытать все самые легкие инструменты, и потом только ставить тяжелее. В основном я встречаю инструмент, который я давно юзаю, и пока он редко когда подводил, это замена Selenium на Playwright, который написан на Node. Он спасает во многих ситуациях, потому что он открывает живой почти браузер, и его можно открыть на сервере без внешней оболочки и без технических всяких нагрузок в плане поставления инстанций, настройка нетворкинга и всех остальных проблем. И он частенько выручал в таких вещах, где идет защита активная и надо получить данные.
Very useful information. Thank you. And then the last question, last but not least, why is parsing still relevant?
Сейчас идет параллельно несколько процессов, которые идут в ногу со временем. С одной стороны, ChatGPT, которому нужно очень много данных, чтобы существовать и быть актуальным. А с другой стороны, есть компании, сервисы, которые предоставляют услуги по защите твоих данных, твоего сайта, чтобы его никто не юзал. И они идут в ногу со временем, и краулинг получается между ними. И это будет всегда актуально, потому что GPT нужно с чего-то кушать, скажем так, тренироваться. И для этого нужно собирать данные с каких-то ресурсов, с которых это можно сделать. И это должно быть актуально еще очень долгое время. Пока я не видел, чтобы отказывались от этого, потому что ChatGPT тот же или любой AI, он может делать очень много, но красиво краулить какие-то данные он не умеет.
Great, great. Thank you so much for your time. It was really interesting to talk to you, and I hope our subscribers will find something interesting for themselves too in this mini interview. So thank you so much and see you soon.
И тебе спасибо.
So thanks to Valery for his time. I think you get a little better understanding what you need to be prepared for, exactly what you need to learn and try to become more in-demand professional, and why parsing is still relevant. Now that we have dealt with our basic questions and you understand what this parsing stuff is all about, let's take a look at one of our major projects. Let's find out what tasks were solved, what team we built to complete this order, how much we earned from it, and finally, calculate how much income we got from parsing over the last year. One of the biggest orders we have received recently is a project dedicated to parsing trends of popular video streaming platforms. Unfortunately, we can't reveal the name of our customers and the name of this project yet, but I can assure you that in the near future, the world will see one of the most advanced and high-end applications that can make the lives of thousands of content creators much easier. Define and find the trend to fit your niche, no problem. Write exciting scripts for your videos, no question. Do brilliant SEO optimization for your content? Easy. And despite the fact that in the end it's gonna be multifunctional product, the main task was exactly data parsing, working with APIs as well as working with datasets for further ML processing. To achieve the goals and find optimal solutions, a whole team of 6 people is working on the project.
Техническая — это наша команда, а дизайнеры — это другая команда, но по сути на одном проекте. Наша техническая сторона — это бэкэнд, фронтенд и специалист AI, который помогает настроить модель GPT для запросов от бизнеса. Фронтенд он сделан на React, бэкэнд есть на Python написан, бэкэнд скрипты, которые тоже на Python написанные. Ну и это все связано в кучу через REST API, через веб-хуки, все это настроено, работает, и ждем, пока наш клиент закончит осмотр, напишет, что он хочет дальше.
At the moment, the product is still in development, but it has already brought the company more than $55,000 in the last few months. Yes, many of you may say that it's too much budget for a freelance project, but I would like to note that we, Index Data Lab team, carefully approach our project, solving a whole pool of tasks to make a high-quality turnkey product that will satisfy our clients. To perform such orders, you need to select a well-coordinated team of specialists who are able to solve non-trivial problems using innovative solutions. Find the right way to approach the client, and most importantly, to take responsibility to further implement the customer's idea to the full 200%. And in this, we are real pros. And finally, I know how long you've been waiting for this moment of this video. Let's summarize the results and see how much money we managed to earn on parsing in 2023. During this year, we have completed more than 35 orders, some of which are still in the works, not counting a lot of consultation and small projects like $100 project, the profit of which was more than $210,000. $105,000 we earned on average orders, $55,000 plus on the project I mentioned before, and $51,000 the second biggest project related to social media networks and trends that we closed in the summer. And this profit we made only on projects related to parsing and ML. And so the main idea how to raise your profit on parsing is to combine parsing with modern technologies and actual solutions such as NLP, LLM, ML and other newest technologies. And of course you need a good team to take on big projects. And so I hope these numbers and these indicators are quite clear and are proof that parsing is still relevant and you can make good money with it. And that's all for today. Thanks to everyone who watched this video till the end. I hope it was interesting. I hope you found something new for yourself. And by the way, if you want to get more information, order the project or just get opinion of expert, you can always order personal consultation with our specialists. All the links to all our resources you can find in the pinned comment under this video or on our YouTube page. page. Check out our Upwork page. We always welcome to new clients and people who care. And it was Index Data Lab team, your friend still 17. Merry Christmas and see you soon next week. Bye.